Om Sri Sai Ram. My most humble pranams at the divine lotus feet of Mother Sai. Myself Sunil Namdev. Today we have to start our computer class. First of all, we have to do 3 Omkars. Sai Ram. Our second chapter is hardware and software. In the previous chapter, we have to learn about how a computer works. Computer कैसे कार्य करता है. Now in this chapter, we have to learn the main two components of the computer, hardware and software. A computer has 4 main parts. These are the keyboard, mouse and CPU and monitor. These 4 parts function together and form a computer system. The parts of a computer system are also called devices. These devices are called hardware. We can touch hardware. The hardware of a computer cannot work on its own. It needs help in the form of instructions. All of you know there are 4 parts of the computer. Main 4 parts: keyboard, monitor, CPU and mouse. These are the 4 main parts of our computer. We can also call the devices. These 4 parts are also called as devices. Computer device. We can touch and see the hardware. All the parts of computer we can touch and see. That's why they are called hardware. If you have only the hardware parts of the computer, it will be not work their own. It needs the help of instructions, commands. In short, they need the software, program to work. Without software, hardware cannot work, and without hardware, software is not possible. The instructions that make the hardware work are called software. We cannot touch software. Hardware and software are the 2 elements of a computer system. What is the work of software? It gives the instructions or commands to the hardware to make a work. We cannot touch the hardware, only we can use it or see it. There are 2 main elements of a computer, hardware and software. कंप्यूटर के 2 मेन पार्ट्स होते हैं, भाग होते हैं, एलिमेंट्स होते हैं. कौन कौन से? हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर. सॉफ्टवेयर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ प्रोग्राम. सॉफ्टवेयर को हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रोग्राम भी कहते हैं. अ प्रोग्राम इज रिटन बाय अ प्रोग्रामर. प्रोग्राम कौन बनाता है? प्रोग्रामर. Who knows all the programming language to create a program. Now, the types of hardware based on its function. Hardware is of 3 types: A device used to input data is an input device. A device used to process data is a processing device. A device used to output data is an output device. Based on the function of hardware, we have divided in three parts. First is the input device, second is the processing device, and the last is the output device. These three devices have the different work. First of all, we have to learn about some input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and give instructions to a computer. Some commonly used input devices are keyboard, mouse, microphones, and scanners. What is the use of input devices? Input device is used to enter data and instruction to a computer. Input devices are used to enter data and instruction into computer. Most often we are using the keyboard, mouse, microphone and scanner. All of you use the keyboard. Look at the picture. This is the keyboard. What is this? This is keyboard. A keyboard has the keys on it. We press these keys to input words, numbers and characters. Pressing the keys on a keyboard to write is called typing. Keyboard has so many buttons and that buttons are called keys. We can input words, numbers, characters. You can also write your names. Whatever you want to type, you can use the keyboard. Whenever you pressing the keys to write, that is called typing. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ना, क्या कर रहे हो? टाइपिंग कर रहे हैं हम. Means he is writing on a computer by using a keyboard. Next input device is mouse. This is the mouse. A mouse has two buttons. There is a scroll wheel between the button. We use a mouse to point at, select and move object on the monitor. We also use the mouse to draw and color pictures. A mouse has two buttons. How many buttons? Two buttons. In between of the button, it has the scroll wheel to move up and down. Your document you can move up and down by using this scroll wheel. And we use the mouse to point at, select, move objects on the monitor. माउस का यूज क्या होता है? सिलेक्ट करने के लिए, ऑब्जेक्ट्स को मूव करने के लिए और उसको पॉइंट करने के लिए. We also use the mouse to draw and color pictures. पेंट में ड्राइंग करते हो ना माउस का यूज करके. Yes, we can also use the mouse to draw the picture and color the picture. Next is microphone. This is the microphone. We use a microphone to record sounds. We can record and store music or our voice in a computer. I am also using the microphone to record my voice. To make this video, I am also using the microphone to record my voice. Same thing, you can also record your voice by using this microphone. You can also record the music, your song, anything you want to record in the computer, you have to use the microphone. Next is the scanner. This is the scanner. We use a scanner to input a page from a book. The page then appears on the monitor. Suppose you have any picture or document or your book page you want to insert in your computer in a digital format, image format. You can use the scanner to scan that document, picture, whatever it is. After the scanning, that document or picture will becomes on your monitor in a digital format. Then after you can edit it or print it. These four are input devices, commonly used input devices: keyboard, mouse, microphone or scanner. Now the next is processing device. What is this? All of you know? Yes, CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is the CPU. CPU is a processing device in a computer. It is inside a box called the CPU box. The CPU is also called the brain of a computer. It is because the CPU works like our brain. It processes the data we feed into the computer and gives the output as information. In the computer system, CPU is the brain of the computer. All of you have the brain? Yes. Same thing, computer also have the brain that's called as a CPU. Because all the works, processing works, whatever instruction, inputs you give to the computer, all that processing works done by the CPU. That's why it's called the brain of the computer. And after the processing, it's give to you output, result or information on your monitor or output device. Next is some output devices. Output devices are used to display the result of processing of the data. The output can be text, picture, sound or video. Some commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, speakers and headphones. First of all, we learn about the input devices. They are used to input the data or instruction. Then after we learn about the processing device to process on our input data. After the processing, we can see our result on the output devices. The output can be text, picture, sound or video. There are some commonly output devices: monitor, printer, speaker and headphones. First of all, we have to learn about the monitor. This is the monitor. All of you see this? Yes, this is the monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It displays the output on a computer. It is also called Visual Display Unit, means VDU. The output on a monitor is called soft copy. ये कैसा दिख रहा है? किसके जैसे दिख रहा है ये? टीवी की तरह. किसकी जैसे? टीवी means television. Monitor looks like a television. And what is the second name of the monitor? Yes, VDU, Visual Display Unit. We can also call Visual Display Unit, VDU. and whatever output you see on your monitor, that's called the soft copy. उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? सॉफ्ट कॉपी कहते हैं. जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें कंप्यूटर में दिखाई देती है, इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिखाई देती है, या जो भी रिजल्ट हम देखते हैं कंप्यूटर में, से क्या कहते हैं हम? सॉफ्ट कॉपी. वी हैव कॉल्ड दैट सॉफ्ट कॉपी. नेक्स्ट इज प्रिंटर. This is the printer. We use a printer to print the output on paper. The output on paper is called hard copy. What is the use of printer? To print your document, image, and whatever you want to print, you can print on the paper. There are different sizes of the paper. And whatever you print on the paper, that is called the hard copy. Whatever you see on your monitor, that's called soft copy. And whatever you print on your printer, that's called hard copy. Next output device is speakers and headphone. These are the speakers. This is headphone. We use speaker and headphones to listen to sound from a computer. All of you using the speakers and headphones? Yes. For what? Yes, listen the song or music. What is the difference between the speaker and headphones? Yes. स्पीकर से सबको सुनाई देगा और हेडफोन से सिर्फ हमको ही सुनाई देगा. This is the main difference of headphone or speaker. Both are used to listen music or sound from the computer. This is checkpoint. Match the following. If you know, you can match it. I will send you the image. And after the matching, you have to write on your notebook. First of all, I told you there are two components of the computer, hardware and software. We learned about the hardware. Now we have to learn about the software. The instructions that we give to a computer are software. When we turn on a computer, an important software starts working. It prepares the computer for use. This software is called the operating system of the computer. An operating system makes the hardware work. It also manages the working of the other hardware devices that are connected to the computer. Some examples of operating system are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. What is the software? Whatever instructions or program you give to the computer, that's called as a software. Whenever you start your computer, an important software starts working. Which is that? Yes, operating system. Which software is that? That is called the operating system. Which software make start our computer? Yes, operating system. That software is called operating system. An operating system makes the hardware work. Without the operating system, hardware cannot be work. It also manages all the connecting hardware with the computer. Some examples of the operating system: Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. These are the example of operating system. Whenever you start your computer, you can see on a screen one operating system name is there. Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8, all that are your operating system. That's make to start your computer and make to work your hardware devices. Some software are also present in a computer. This depends on what we want to do. We open Microsoft Paint or Tux Paint when we want to draw picture. We open WordPad or MS Word when we want to type text. There are so many softwares are there in your computer. If you want to draw the picture, you have to use the drawing softwares like is Paint, Tux Paint, and if you want to type text, you have to use the WordPad, Microsoft Word, Notepad, all are the typing software. Look at on the picture, this is the Microsoft Paint, MS Paint, which is used to draw the picture. And this is Tux Paint, same as the paint. This is the Tux Paint, also used to draw the picture. These are keywords, hardware, parts of a computer that we can be touched, that's called the hardware. Software, instruction that make the hardware work, that's called a software. Soft copy, output on a monitor, that's called as a soft copy. Hard copy, output on a paper, it's called the hard copy. Our lesson number 2 is finished. Now we have to do the Om Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sai Ram, take care.